Hello, everyone, and thank you for tuning in. Today, we're going to be looking at Tezos, its valuations against Bitcoin. Looking at the current chart with Tezos and noting that we have never seen this kind of pattern before. Remember, if you do like this video and the other videos that I make on this channel, be sure to hit the like button down below and also consider subscribing. So Tezos is, down about 9% for the week. It is up 1.25% for the day as of right now. But what's interesting is the weekly. We've been, moving sideways essentially for the past 3 weeks at the same valuations, at least valued with Bitcoin at this level. If we look at the entire macro chart of Tezos versus Bitcoin, we don't necessarily see that happening at this area. We kind of see it happening more or less at the upper bounds of the chart. Does this mean that I think that um, does this mean that I think that this is the, where the peak is for Tezos? No, I don't think so. But it's something interesting to take note of, and it's probably this case. It's probably like this because because Bitcoin is at the 20-week moving average, or is fighting against the 20-week moving average right now. Something else to note is the 20-week moving average is going to be crossing the 50-week. By I believe next week we should see it cross. And the last time we did cross, we did make significant moves. Right after. Right. The first week was about a 3% move followed by an 8% move, and then as soon as we crossed in, we saw a 15% move followed by a 26% move, etc., getting us to the upper bounds of the chart. When looking at the US dollar, we're currently trading at just under $6, about $5.91. We peaked out at about $8. And remember, with the macro chart of Tezos USD, there is this upward trend of resistance that we seem to be fighting against every single time. The last time we hit that line was about $8.50. So if we were to get there this week, it would be about $10.40, and we'll be increasing further as time goes on. So the longer Tezos doesn't make that peak, the longer the theoretical high US dollar price of Tezos could be. Beyond that, I'm not necessarily making any other moves with Tezos. I did sell a position, 3 weeks ago when we first got to these levels. I sold my first position of Tezos, and I will continue to do so should it, um, you know, increased in valuation against Bitcoin. If it doesn't, then I still have a good chunk of my Tezos being staked, earning interest. I believe with, you know, delegating your Tezos, it's about a 5%, um, reward interest per year. So that is something, to take into consideration as well. Anyway, that's all for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.